guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So she has finally come out of hibernation. Like, all the videos I've been posting up have been like videos I pre-recorded a while back. So anyways, yes, this is my face. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Hudabeauty Desert Dusk Pallette. OMG guys, like, you guys have no idea how badly I've been wanting at least one product from Hudabeauty. Like, I'm still targeting their foundations because I've heard a lot of good things about their foundations, so I am definitely going to pick up one, probably towards the ending of the year. Right now I have too much makeup right now that I need to go through, you know. So anyways, my sister, my beautiful elder sister, bought me this Hudabeauty Desert Dusk Palette for my birthday present last year, but she was too busy, so she couldn't send it down for me from the UK. So eventually, I think it was last week Monday, it finally came. She finally was able to have time to send it from her busy schedule, to send it down to me in Nigeria. So, oh my gosh, thank you, sis. She was like, what do you want for your birthday present? I was like, I want the Hudabeauty palette. She said, okay. So anyways, I am going to be doing a look using this palette today. So I'm sure you guys know what the palette looks like. There have been a lot of reviews and whatnot ever since the palette came out. So as you guys know, this is the packaging. It's cute. I really like the holographic effect-ish type. And this is what the front of the packaging looks like. I really like this whole 3D thing that's going on here. Like, so bomb. Like, oh my gosh, Huda is gorgeous. So anyways, opening up the palette, it comes with this really huge mirror. I don't want to turn it, but it comes with this really huge mirror, which is so cool. And then it comes with this, like, instead of the normal like writings and letter, it comes with her eyes, which are like so pretty. So oh my gosh, this one just fell out right now. Oh my gosh, it fell all over me. I had to like pause, gather it, and fix it back. Okay guys, so I fixed it with some good old rubbing alcohol. So anyways, this is what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen the palette a lot. Oops, the alcohol is dripping. So these shades are so gorgeous. Like, this one that actually cracked is like a glitter shade, which is like so pretty. I think that's the only glitter shade amongst all of them. Yeah, these two are like duochromes. So anyways, I'm just going to quickly jump right in and start the makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so my eyes are primed. I used my Zaron's liquid concealer in light. So I'm just going to go into the first shade. First shade I'm going to use from this palette is this shade called Desert Sand. So I'm just going to use that to set my entire lid. For my transition color, I'm going into the shade called Amber. So now once I'm done blending that, I'm going into this shade called Saffron right here. So next up, I'm going to go into the shade called Oud, and I'm going to use that to just deepen my outer V.
make him break it down. See the way you move your body, girl, it make me feel the model.
Going back into amber.
As of you, yeah, can I take you on a ride?
Eyeshadows are just so, they're so soft and they just blend so easily, which is like amazing. So I'm just going to take this shade called Twilight, and that's going to be my lid color. So now on the outer portion of my eye, I'm just going to take amethyst. So I'm just going to line my eyes with my Black Radiance eyeliner. So because there's no black in this palette, I'm just going to go into another eyeshadow palette of mine that has black. So I really want to smoke out the edge. So going into my Nuban Beauty, I'm just going to take this shadow called Rara, and I'm going to smoke out the edge of this look. So I'm gonna cut my lashes with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on my falsies, and I'll do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am done with the eyes. Now moving on to my face. I'm going to be priming my face, my T-zone, especially with my Pond's vanishing cream. Once I'm done priming my face, I'm going to use my Zaron's liquid concealer in the shade Deep to highlight my under eye first. I'm just going to spritz my beauty sponge with my Nuban Beauty setting spray, then blend that under eye concealer. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply my foundation. For my foundation, I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in Golden Toffee.
So make you follow me go. See your backside, see the fama trouble. Me I know they like much talk. Make you tell the DJ, make him break it down. See the way you move your body, girl, it make me feel the model. And I just...
So once I'm done dusting that powder from my under eye, I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC powder in Dark Deep. Mineralized foundation / loose powder, and this is in the shade Dark Deep. My sister just sent this to me. She was like it was too dark for her. She says she didn't like loose powders. So, and I've been using it for some time and I really like it. After setting my powder, I'm going to contour with one dark eyeshadow that I have that I like to use to contour my nose and my cheek. Then I'm going back into the eyes. I'm going to be using this black pencil to just really smoke out my under eye, so my eyes really look very sultry. Once I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Nuban Beauty setting spray. Now on to highlight. For highlights, I'm using my Cardi Bible palette as usual, and I'm just going to shine through from my cheekbones to the bridge of my nose, the usual places. After that, I'm applying a little blush just to give my cheeks a bit of plump, and that is done. So guys, I changed my top and I'm gonna put on my wig. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to my lips. So for my lips, I'm going first with my Jordana lip pencil in brown suede. I'm just going to use that to line my lips. Then once I'm done lining my lips with that, I'm going into this NYX lingerie lipstick in Exotic. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I really love this Hudabeauty eyeshadow palette. It is the bomb. If you don't have it, you need to get it. It's beautiful. The shadows are really buttery and nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to also subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.